Well, Mom.
You know, there are different things you can do.
Mom, Merry Christmas.
So
How you doing,
some
Mom?
of them have like a lot more interactive
Okay,
features. but-
okay. How are you doing,
I'm
Sean?
doing great. Merry Christmas.
Okay, all right.
Thanks for asking.
Oh, actually.
All right, Alvia, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Like
I'm
there
really
was an
thankful
interview
for
she
everything
did.
I got.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Family is beautiful and friends are beautiful.
Absolutely,
We should count our
absolutely,
blessings.
absolutely.
And within this, you can go through your
How you doing?
pages, and then like then here's like
All right, I'm just doing a little broadcast for the relatives.
But the World Wide Web.
right.
Tracy and Bob.
So that's it. There's some of them are more. So what I wanted to do is download some books and some magazines, ones that I like. But also the ones that
Yes,
see what all
dear.
the features
The longer I sit here, and I don't have to cut the
you
road.
want to develop.
I hope
You
somebody
got
else.
this fingernail stickers?
That's why I wanted to find out.
Yeah, you want to put
So I can
those
see
on?
more of the, you know,
No, I think Jake might do it.
I wasn't having
Or maybe
Okay,
Jake
that's
will
it
do
for now.
Or cousin Pete will do it.
and then
Do you want some food?